Major Vehicle Exchange 2017 Ford E-450 Cutaway 24-passenger shuttle bus stock number A5395. Powered by Ford's proven 6.8-liter Triton 10-cylinder gasoline engine, this bus is equipped with an automatic transmission with overdrive. It has been thoroughly serviced, inspected, and refinished both inside and out. During reconditioning, the bus underwent a complete review with all necessary maintenance and repairs performed to ensure it's reliable and is ready for immediate use. Highlights and features: comfortable Velour seating with seatbelts, handgrips, and a reclining driver's seat with armrest. Extra high-capacity front and rear AC and heating systems. Power-operated electric passenger entry door. AM/FM CD stereo with speakers throughout. Cruise control tilt steering wheel and fast idle control system. Roof hatch, driver's step coach-style tinted windows, and transit rubber flooring. Chrome wheel covers, excellent condition tires, and exterior entry lighting. Fully padded interior with LED overhead lighting. Heated power-adjustable mirrors. DOT compliant and safety inspected. Perfect for churches, shuttle services, adult daycare programs, senior centers, worker transport, teen travel, casino trips, or ready to be converted for other commercial uses. Clean, spacious, and dependable, this turnkey shuttle is road-ready and built for smooth, comfortable transport. Please call Charlie at 516-333-7483 or visit us at www.getanybus.com.